Today we will be showing you how to overhaul and put back together a one-piece bottom bracket. These are the following tools that you will be needing for this overhaul. First, you will proceed to loosen the lock nut. Once loose, you can remove it by hand. Remember that this is the non-drive side, which means all the threads are reversed, which means you turn to the left to tighten and to the right to loosen. Once the lock nut is removed, be sure to remove any washers that are available. Once you remove the cup, be sure to grab the crank arm and pull it out. Once you've inspected, cleaned, and re-greased everything, put back the bottom bracket through it and with the bearings on the drive side. When adjusting, make sure that it's not too loose where it rocks back and forth or too tight where it doesn't spin freely. Make sure you adjust it just right, and once you get it, put in the washer. Now add the lock nut and lock it in place, and once you're done, you can add the pedals and you're done.